my name is Michelle Blackwood from Healthier Steps. I am so excited, guys, because I have for you a new recipe. It's my pumpkin lentil soup. Lots of flavors going on in this soup. Think about it, the pumpkin, the lentils, the carrots, the celery, the onions, garlic, the thyme, and all those herbs and spices. Phenomenal dish. Before we get started though, if you're seeing my video for the first time and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit on the notification bell so that you can be notified on all my latest recipes. So let's get started. One thing I like about this recipe is that it is actually also oil-free. So I'm not gonna saute my onions and garlic, none of that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook my lentils, and I'm using brown lentils that I washed already. I like to just wash it in a fine sieve, just like that, just wash it. And you wanna make sure you wash it just before you're going to cook it. So if you wash it ahead of time, it usually sticks together, and then it's harder for you to, you can't just dump and pour. You'll have to literally break it up. So just a little tip about that. Lentils, you can use green lentils. I have not tried red lentils because you know red lentils cook super fast. I'm sure it will taste good, but I just did not try it with this recipe. I'm going for my harder lentils that take a little longer to cook. So that's what I'm using. So let's get started. I'm gonna just add some vegetable broth, and you can use a bouillon cube or two for this. This is a lot of vegetable broth that's going here. I have about a cup of lentils, and so I'm just gonna add it. I'm gonna let it cook for probably 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna add the remaining ingredients, and then it'll finish cooking. So I'll be back shortly. Guys, we're back. The lentil is cooked, it's tender, it's ready. Let me check. So let me just show you. That's how you want it. Look at that. Squashes out, look at that. So your lentil is ready. And basically all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna dump the rest of the ingredients in. So here I have some celery. I have onions, then some carrots, pretty color, and our star is our pumpkin, and I'm using pumpkin puree. You could either just chop up some fresh pumpkins as well. It will be fine to do that. I just want to clean my hands. So yeah, you can just do fresh pumpkin, whatever you have on hand. Add your pumpkin. I'm using pumpkin puree, and I'm just dumping everything in right now. And then I'm adding some garlic, this is oregano, basil. I love the flavor of both. I'm adding thyme. I'm just adding thyme. And green onions, love that, green onions, the flavor in soup. And this recipe is super flavorful because I'm also adding my onion powder, garlic powder, and I'm adding a little hint of cayenne pepper, just enough to give it a little kick. And there it is. And I'm just gonna mix everything, just stir it out. This recipe, like I said, is super flavorful, just so delicious, easy to prepare, perfect for those chilly fall weather, evening when you come home and you just want to unwind and drink a nice warm bowl of soup. Look at that, very good. And now what you do is you check your ingredients. You check the seasoning, make sure it's properly seasoned. There's so many flavors going on here. I'm sure it's well seasoned. You might just probably need to add a little extra salt if it needs a little extra salt, but it's pretty much a done deal. This is really, really good. Lots of flavors going on. Whenever I make this dish disappears. Everybody's favorite. We're just loving it. And so I hope it will be your favorite. So I'm just gonna cook it for another 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes until it gets thick the way you want it. And this is phenomenal. And I want for you to make it. And when you do, please come back, leave a comment below how you like it. Let me know. I love to know how you enjoy it. Okay, so our soup is ready. Look at it. Look at it. So perfect. Look at it. Oh yes. I can't wait to dig in. It smells amazing in here. I wish you were here, but I know what, you're going to make it. Anyway, you're going to make it. So guys, look at that. Nice, hearty bowl of lentil pumpkin soup. Can't wait to dig in. Can't wait to dig in. All right, let's just turn off. Turn off, turn off, turn off. And let me just get this taste testing going on. This taste testing. All right. So here we go. This bowl of soup. Oh, so amazing. So thick and creamy. And all the beautiful colors of fall is in the soup. The pumpkin, the lentils, the carrots. So good. I'm gonna do a taste test. So here we go. It's hot. I'm gonna do a taste test now. So delicious. So good. Oh, such a hearty soup. This is your stick to your bone soup. It's filling, high in fiber. Lentils are so good for you. Protein, lots of protein, lots of vitamins, minerals here in this one pot of soup. So I hope you make it, and when you do, please come back and let me know how you like it. So good, so delicious, so flavorful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit on the notification bell that you will be notified on my next video. And I have some exciting videos coming up this fall, so be sure to stay tuned. So many great ideas for you come in my head. I mentioned in one of my lives that I want to even start doing soap making classes, teach you guys how to make soap from scratch. I'm super excited about that, and so many other great ideas that I'm coming up with. I'm doing it just for you. So Healthier Steps family, continue to support, continue to share my videos, and see you on the next video.